slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow.
Hey, welcome back guys to my channel. I hope you guys are learning something new and exciting, something informative from my channel that's helping you from day-to-day life. And of course, helping from my channel and also from other channels as well. So as you can see, this is of course my channel page. My channel name is The Curious Brain. And I hope of course my goal from every video is to help you guys things that I'm learning, things I'm doing research on from my own personal use, and of course sharing with you guys so you don't have to struggle or do the same research when it comes to doing the similar project or similar hobby or whatever the case is. So as you can clearly see, of course this is my channel. In my last video you saw I purchased DJI drone. And in this video, I wanted to mention basically like a nightmare, like it's crazy nightmare when it comes to an application for Android users, unless you have Samsung, like top notch S23, S24 Note or so. But in my case, I'm using OnePlus Nord N30 phone. Now, I was struggling just to even install the application. So I had to go back and forth, make some complaints, call DJI customer support, spoke to the technical support and stuff like that. So there was like quite bit of, struggle here going back and forth. And I was like, you know what, since I was able to finally install the application, why don't I document the entire process so people like me who are new to DJI, who is purchased the drone the very first time in their life, and they need to install the application and they're finding out, oh, it's not as easy peasy. You cannot just go to the app store. You just cannot install the application. So the people that are struggling, I hope my video will be helpful. So I kind of want to go step by step. You may want to skip a little bit if you are kind of already know that information, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that I have discovered in last a week or so or 2 weeks about this DJI application. So anyway, let's start this, guys. So yeah, very first thing I want to show you is the application, right? So the application you guys need to fly DJI drone is called DJI Fly app. Here you can see DJI Fly, simple DJI Fly, guys. So this is the application you need. Now, I do want to mention DJI stop the application back in. Let me go back here. There you go. I do want to show you here. So looks like early 2021, DJI stop or whatever, publishing their application to the App Store for Android user. Or here you can see discontinued support for their apps, including DJI Fly, DJI Mimo, and more on the Google Play Store. Now, I did not do the whole lot of research, why and whatsoever. I mean, they don't support it. There's nothing more. I mean, I don't see, worth fighting for. I mean, they don't support. That's it. I did not look more. So yeah, they don't support the app, as you can clearly see. Now, of course, this is the app you need. So when I find out first, I'm like, oh, okay, well, I'm toast. So either I need to upgrade my phone, to a Apple product, or I need to return this device. Nope, that's not the case, guys. So there is something called DJI Download Center, which is so freaking strange. I mean, before we go forward, I would say I'm gonna go back in my phone and I'm gonna basically search DJI in my app store to show you I do not see DJI Fly at all. Just to kind of show you, because of course I was finding out later that DJI, you cannot install this app in App Store. But yeah, here is the video, guys. So let's see this video. So yeah, I simply go in the App Store, and here I hit the search bar or whatever. I go on the top, I type DJI, and I hit my enter, and look at that. The only thing I see is DJI Store, and the store is basically if you want to buy their product or stuff like that. But yeah, there is no DJI app, DJI Fly app, as you can clearly see. Okay, so here you can see now clearly you cannot install the application. Now to install the application, there is something called DJI Download Center. Okay, this is for pretty much for Android user, but I can see the iOS users as well. You can also go this route. And here you can see a list of all the Apple products. I mean, my video is mostly designed for Android users, but you can still enjoy the video, I guess, if you're an Apple user to make fun of Android, I guess. So here you can see these are, top-notch phone, 15 Pro Max, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, SE and SE2. For older version, click here. So I guess it's more compatible with Apple iOS devices. But when it comes to Android, there is very limited selection. I mean, look at this puppy, this small list. See Samsung Galaxy S23, S22, 21, Note 20, A54, 53. Then they got this Huawei or whatever, couple of devices. Then Xiaomi. Then of course they got Redmi. Then they got what Honor. I don't even know what that phone is. Oppo. I heard that. So yeah, a couple of these devices, and I have personally have OnePlus Nord N30. So when I saw this OnePlus Nord CE3, and I'm like, hey, I think I'm lucky here. So to install the app, you simply have to scan this barcode from your picture, your camera or whatever. Simply open your camera in your phone, scan this barcode, and you will be able to locate the URL. It will basically bring you to the page where you can download the APK file. Now, how do you get to this page? Simply you go in Google, type DJI, nothing fancy. I mean, you can do DJI Download Center, but just do DJI. It's all good. Now, when you go down here, you can clearly see Download Center. You click on the download center, and that is where your page comes straight. You can see a bunch of applications. You see this DJI Fly. You click on DJI Fly, and this is the page you get. Now here you have two options. You have either iOS devices or you have Android devices. So of course my Android brother sisters, you click on this Android puppy. Now here you go. So that's the page. Now you need a phone to scan this barcode. So here I'm going to play a video where you can see I'm doing the whole process. So let me get my phone and I'm going to show you this whole process here. All right, so simply click on the beautiful looking camera icon and point it to the barcode, and you will see the code in the middle. And here you can see, click on it. And now your phone will point to this link, and here you can see the DJI Fly. And here you can see all the information down here. Simply click on the download APK file. Yep, like you can see in the middle. And again, it's a big download, guys. So when you click on it, you're talking, I don't know, based on your internet speed, it might take few minutes, but you're downloading like 500-600 MB file. And of course, you will see this warning. Simply click like, just download this puppy. And here you can see I'm downloading the file, and here when I hit the details, you can see how big this file is. So don't be surprised based on the speed. If you're downloading on 4G or 5G, it might take, I don't know, 1 or 2 minutes. So yeah, it's not something tiny, quick app. So it will take a while. And yeah, let me just do a fast forward so you don't have to wait for the entire download process. All right, look at my internet speed now. Woohoo! No, I'm kidding. It's just a fast forward process. All right, guys, so the download is done, as you can see here. There we go. All right, so once it's done downloading, simply click on this download, and here, yeah, it's trying to start the installation. And yeah, you simply just, of course, hit install or whatever. And yep, now it's installing the DJI Fly app. It will be giving you like a little harmful, like little kind of warning sign. It's completely normal. You just have to accept it, and you will see just in a second. And here you go. So you click on this more details on the kind of middle area. You click on this and then hit the install anyway, and then your phone will begin installing this application. Okay, it says app installed, and here you can hit done or okay or open, and look at that. Okay, now something funny happened. Here you can see application completely started working as normal, and there's a beautiful music. Okay, so the funny thing here was, as you saw, I was able to install the app, which worked in the first place as well. But what the funny thing is, I don't know why. I wonder either that DJI fixed that bug on their application, or because I'm installing on the same device where previously I installed the newer app. I don't know what the reason is. So hope you follow the same instructions. If you were able to install the app and if the app is working, that's perfect. You don't have to worry about it at all. But I'm pretty positive the app will not work, in Android phone. If you have similar to my phone, Android, this OnePlus Nord N30, then you need the link or the app I'm going to show you here, the email, I should say. So let me open this here. So here is the email, guys. So of course, when the application was not working, I tried in two different cell phones. We have, OnePlus, I guess 9 Plus or something, OnePlus 9 Pro or so, yeah, OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro or something. My wife has. We tried in her phone, exact same issue. The application would try to open and it will just shut down instant. You open it again, it opens and shut down instant. I also looked up some stuff online. I did clear the cache and cookies and clear all the data and stuff by going in the app properties, I should say. I did all of those things, but still app would not work. I restarted the phone again, tried on two different phones. The app would not work at all. So finally, I called the DJI customer service. I explained them, hey, I purchased this new DJI, drone, and I'm not going to upgrade my phone just for the drone, which is kind of stupid in my opinion. I'm not going to buy expensive Android phone or an iPhone just so I can fly your drone. That just does not make any sense. So is there something you can do? So this guy basically launched a ticket for me, and he said, okay, so our technical support will basically contact you back in, I don't know, 24, 48 hours or something, and they will be in touch with you. And he also got my phone number saying, they will give you a call back. Well, the call never happened. Next day or so, I received this email from these guys. And basically, in this email, they're clearly saying, we are reaching out to you regarding the installation issue you are experiencing with your OnePlus Nord N30. We understand you have successfully installed the app, but encounter a black or blank while screen when launching it. So they basically gave me this new link to download the APK file. It's basically a newer app or maybe the same app with some tweak or some little bit coding change. They change some, minor tweak the app or change some coding in there. I don't know, or maybe made some compatible or whatever the case is. So yeah, they did that and they gave me this link. Of course, you can't see the link here. This is just like a actual name of the app, but the hyperlink, I should say, I'm gonna post on the video here somewhere, so you can see the actual link. So you can basically copy that link, or I'm also gonna, I guess, copy this link in my comment section. So copy it from there. And actually, why don't I show you what exactly the link looks like? So give me a second here. So the link looks like this. This is the link, of course, this PAN. See how it changed to this Chinese something? This whatever the gobbledygook. But yeah, this is the link, guys. But yeah, here you can see how it changed it. The pan-sec dot dgicorp.com slash s slash this ew whatever. So yeah, this is the link, and now here you have to type this password, and the password is DJI in cap 123. So you go here, you type DJI 123, and then enter, and this is what you can see is the actual application they sent me in the email. So this is how you get to this app. So you simply download. Again, you have to do this in your phone, because I'm doing on my computer, but you have to do this in your phone, in your Android phone. And of course, you click on it, it's going to download the entire app. Here you can see it's downloading. But yeah, download the entire app, and then basically you install this application. And when I did that, and voila, the application started working like instant. I went back to my second phone, did the exact same thing, and wow, this app was working like amazing. And I'm like, this is awesome. So when I realized it, okay, so I'm not behind just because I'm using this OnePlus phone. So I was like, you know what? This is, I think, very useful information to all of my viewers that are struggling with this DJI app issue or new to DJI and did not knew all this crazy information with the DJI app. So I was like, you know what, why don't I make this video so I can share with you guys and hope my video was helpful to you. So anyway guys, so try this link. Of course, try the normal way first through the download center. If the app is working, amazing, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about this third step at all. If your app does not work and you're getting the same error like me, it tries to launch, but then it shuts down, then you can simply download the app using this link I just shared. Again, this is not my link. This is a DJI link here. You can clearly see. I'm just sharing with you guys through this YouTube platform. So this is a clear, you can see DJI corporate link. And yeah, try this link. Hopefully this would work. In my case, it worked. But if you're still having a problem, I would recommend calling DJI. Don't give up. Just call them, speak to their tech support. Let them know, hey, you tried the download center and stuff like that, and the app does not seems to work. And this is my cell phone make and model, and I need to know how can I make it work in my phone. So I'm pretty positive they'll send you a link. Hopefully that would work. But I'm positive. I do think for most part this link will work for you guys, like it did for me. So yeah, I hope everything will work. So anyway, guys, I hope this video was informative to you. If you think you learned something new, I would appreciate if you can subscribe my channel, like the video, and share with other people if they're struggling with similar issue. But yeah, keep watching, guys. I will be coming back with new and newer informative content that can help you and all the viewers. So anyway, thank you for watching my video. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out and have a great day.